So my husband's about to walk through the door and I'm gonna play that song. That's my type, like everybody else does, and see if my husband dances. Let's see what he does. Oh, I forgot I don't have a husband.
Somali words that are also Italian, or Italian words that are Somali. Anyway, we're going to the colonizers, girl. We're going there. Borso. And Italian is borsa. Guno. I don't say guno in Somali for skirt, but in Italian is gona. Oh, gona! Ah! Gelato. In Italian is gelato. I knew that one. Catina. In Italian is catina. Chain. Ah! This one shocked me. Registine or regiabeto in Somali is also reggiastino and reggiabeto in Italian. That's bra. Forno. Forno. It's literally the same word. Occhialet. Occhiali. Glasses. Armacio. Armadio. Wardrobe. Sugo. Sugo. Sauce. Forgetto. Forgetta. Life for part 2.
waqtigu kali kuma daldalin duruuftuna kula ma dhalan wayaha dunidiyo lurkiisa dadku waa kula qawaaye kasar noloshaada dayro bum diggy diggy bum bum you got me like crazy that you calling me